Hi, this is Jesse Stopnitzky, co-owner and director of the RV division for Performance Brokerage Services. Over the years, we've advised countless RVDA members with their buy-sell needs, from helping dealers preserve their legacies and guiding them through the complex sale process towards a well-deserved retirement. We are immensely proud to once again be a silver partner at the RVDA Convention and Expo in Las Vegas, as we deeply value the relationship with the RVDA. Be sure to join our buy-sell workshops on Tuesday, November 12th at 8:15 a.m., where we will address maximizing profits and preserving your wealth, and on Wednesday, November 13th at 8:45 a.m., as we explore the state of the buy-sell market and the keys to a successful transaction. In this panel discussion, I will be joined by Brad Stanek, Financial Advisor for the Stanek Group at Morgan Stanley, and Raul Rodriguez, Senior Vice President of Corporate Development at Blue Compass RV. In this crash course, you will gain insight on the current buy-sell market conditions, understand how dealerships are being valued post-COVID, and obtain keys that can ensure a successful transaction whenever the time is right for you. As the highest volume dealership brokerage firm in North America, you will gain access to real-time and relevant information directly from the trenches of the buy-sell market. If you're considering a sale or a purchase in the next few years, this is the place to start. Our team of expert advisors will be on site for the entirety of the show and available to answer your most pressing questions. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas.